So here's the motor in my 2005 KX125 that I just got. I got it a pretty good price because basically when I got the bike, when I was going to buy it anyway, the motor was locked up. It wouldn't even kick over. So I get it home, find out it's got a brand new crank in it, brand new piston in it. Well, the reason why it was locked up is this right here. Basically, when you tighten the case down, pinches everything nice and tight. Well, this isn't even spinning barely at all as it is. So pull this out here. There's no washer, so they forgot the washer. So I bought an OEM washer here. Goes right on the end of that. Stick that in there. Now watch it. Look at how nice that spins. It's amazing how just a little bitty washer will affect the entire motor. So yeah, I kind of lucked out. I was thinking maybe it was seized up or something, but it definitely wasn't. It was just that washer.